What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So we are less than 24 hours away from the Samsung's Unpacked event from. I'll also post the update to the full length video which was being posted originally, but before that here's a quick summarization of that video. So the Galaxy Z Fold 3 looks a bit of a disappointing when compared to its predecessor, as it's having the same crease on the center, but unlike considering the Honor Mate X2 barely has one crease, and that's maybe because of the ultra thin glass but it will provide a better protection to your screen. But in any case, just like the Z Fold 2, it won't be having any taking away the user experience, and just like the crease, you will also be not able to see the camera inside because it's the under the display camera. Now directly looking it off, when the display is off, you can see that, otherwise it's not really noticeable. The front cover display looks as the identical to its predecessor, even the bezels and the size of the punch hole camera. The handsets looks overall great from the back, and it is having a matte finish, but it also has a camera different style. Now we have also noticed that the Z Flip 3 again, in the inner display of that phone looks the same, but the bigger cover display is almost as the twice of this predecessor. Note that we also have an updated videos, live videos on the hands-on videos on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, which shows the Wear OS UI for the very first time on the Samsung wearable. It is very different from the what Samsung's users are used to see with the Tizen OS, and the animation with this OS is really smooth, and I guess that's due to the collaboration between the Google and the Samsung. The new 5nm processor for the watch is coming with, and it will be also showing some of the animation features for the Galaxy Watch 4. First up, it will be having a body composition which basically tells you how fat you are, or how many muscles do you have. That's all stuff, and it also shows you can also measure of the angles which you keep your arm to make it towards the work. And next up, we also have a call animation instead of swiping left or right. Now if you like this video, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the very next one.